Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to install the Azure AD Connect with pass-through authentication and single sign-on. So I have created a virtual machine, in Hyper-V. This virtual machine name is W2016AD Connect, and it's already joined to the domain. If I go to the control panel and go to Systems. So you see this computer, this server is already joined to the w2016.local domain, and this computer name is w2016AD Connect. And what I want to do is I want to install the AD Connect, but use the pass-through authentication. The pass-through authentication means when the people access the Office 365, he puts his user ID and then password. The user ID and password will be passed through back to the online on-premise Active Directory to get authenticated. Then user will have only one user ID and password, which is maintained in the on-premise Active Directory. When this is authenticated, when the user can access the application. The other one is the one enable single sign-on. Single sign-on means if the user tries to access the application from corporate network, the user don't need to input the username and password again because user has already got a password login to the computer. So they will pass through the user login to the application, then user can access. So this is the before we run the Azure AD Connect application, I already downloaded this application. One is the Azure AD Connect. The other one I needed to install the .NET 4.8 because in order to install the Azure AD Connect, we need to install the .NET framework 4.72. I installed the 4.8 because it's above 4.72. The other one is we need to enable TS 1.2 because currently Microsoft has increased the security. They need to enable the TS 1.2. There's a documentation from Microsoft so to run the PowerShell script to enable TS 1.2, and then we start the server. Then I already done this too, and then I'm now trying to run the installation for this Azure AD Connect. When we run the Azure AD Connect, this is the default setting. The default setting is the password hash synchronization. This means the user password will be synchronized to the Azure cloud, which means user does not need the on-prem AD to sync it because the password is already synchronized over. User can still log into 365 even the local domain controller is turned off. But if we use the pass-through authentication, means this user ID will be synchronized to the on-prem Active Directory, and there's an agent will be installed on the local server, which is the Azure AD Connect is installed. Then I just select, in order to use the pass-through authentication, I don't want to save the password on the cloud. I use the pass-through authentication. I select this option, the pass-through authentication, and then I also enable the single sign-on because I want the user to use this feature when the user logs into the on-prem, computer in the Active Directory domain. So I just click next. So this is the username for Azure AD. This is the global administrator username. So this one is the local domain name is w231.6.com. So the local, just add this one, add directory. I need to input the create a new ID for this ID sync. I just put this those existing one. Create a new AD account for AD sync. I put the administrator. So this Active Directory is already added to the list now. This is the European. I just use the CCQ trying to come to the European. Use the principal name, which is okay, and continue without matching all European suffix for verified domain. So because I only use this one for this European, then I will filter the OU. Don't want to select OU. Then use the internal user. Just want to sync internal user. OU1, OU2, security group. Select this three. The layer attribute. Use the select use the default for this one. Next. So it asks to enter the domain administrator account to configure on-premise. So just enter the account. So start the synchronization process when complete configuration complete. Now it's trying to create a Microsoft Entra ID synchronization account. This account is just used for the account synchronization from Azure, Active Directory to the, Edge Cloud. I may need to add this account to the MFA bypass list because this account does not have a, MFA set up. We can't use the, authentication application to do the MFA authentication for this account. So just So Microsoft Entra Connect Sync application just installing the components on the server for the pass-through authentication and also the Entra AD Connect. After this installation, we see what's installed in the from the service uh, Windows Service Console. So while this is doing, I just want to check something. So configuration complete. Okay. I want to test the pass-through authentication. I just added the one. So this one is installed now. If I go to the domain controller, I just want to add a new account. So I already synced this OU, the Intel users OU. I just create a new user account. So I use this European because I see that this is a physical 2020 company. So this account I created, this one for the go to success. So this is sync to the Azure AD now. Let's see if it's sync or not. Just log in to this one. If I log into admin.microsoft.com, I can go to users, active users, just check this account is synced or not. Okay. So I put the test pass-through, you see, it's synced to the 365 successfully. Just add a license to it, add the license. So license is added allow. So if I go to, I want to check AD. Okay. If I go to the, now I have already set up the AD Connect and also sync to the 365. Let's see how can we, if I log in as a user, I just want to, for this one, what I want to do is I want to sign out from this server from sign out as admin from this server and sign in as the test account. To see if the pass-through authentication works or not. So because I select the pass-through and also the single sign-on, I just click, put the, so after I log in, I go to the Google Chrome to sign that default. So Google Chrome default, put the sign. So this is the UPin for this user account. I click next. It asks me to input the password for this user ID. This is for the MFA because the MFA is already enabled in the Edge Cloud. It asks me to input the set up the MFA for this. So I just scan the QR code from my mobile phone. So I can log into the, office.com successfully with the user ID and password I created in the on-prem AD. So that's what I show you today. I may want to add this ccq2020.com.au to the, to the trust zone. So we can implement the single sign-on because in order to use the single sign-on, we need to add this, go to the control panel. Add this one to the trust side, the one ccq2020.com.au to the trust side in order to use the single sign-on. Thank you.